How to fix photos not showing up in messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix photos not showing up in messages, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to fix photos if they are not showing up in messages, let's say that someone you're talking to is actually sending you photos but then you're not being able to load up that photo. It also depends upon what the other person is sending it from, because if they're using an Android, chances are they are using it via MMS, which is multimedia services. Or now what happens is that whenever you're trying to send a photo from Android to iOS, most likely it's going to fail. So you have to make sure the other person is also sending from iOS itself and that both of you have iMessage turned on. Also make sure that you are properly connected to the internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular. If you're using cellular, try to switch back to Wi-Fi. What I want you to do from now is go to settings. Then just go to the application called messages and then just make sure to turn on iMessage over here, because when you turn off iMessage you will not be able to receive multimedia messages as well, which could be photos, GIFs, stickers or something like that. So hope this video helped you as to how you can fix photos not showing up in messages. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.